I got a 2004 Cobra Terminator with flowfx I just put on. I had Super 44s, bassani off-road X pipe. The Super 44 sounded good, under 3,000 RPM, light throttle, maybe half. But wide open it would rattle, sound like something was wrong with, or something was broken in the back. Read on the forums, people said X pipe with only straight through mufflers, H pipe with either straight through or chambered. So Mustang forums, I tried it out, went through to a straight through design, FX, flowfx. I'll put the part number in the comments or whatever, you guys can listen to it. I'll start it up. It's not a cold start. I just took the car out for a little while. It's been sitting for about 10 minutes, and I'll do some revs up to 3,000 RPM, let it idle for a bit, and you guys can see how it sounds. I think it sounds great. I think it sounds awesome. Might be even too loud. Might get some resonators. We'll see how the neighbors like it. Anyway, have a good one.